It's all nothing. Who here loves Orange Creamsicle Bars? Well, clearly I do, and that's why we've got a delicious smelling and super cute orange creamsicle how-to for you guys to try today. These melt and pour bars are adorable, easy to make, and they smell just like the real thing. So subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. This project uses both clear and opaque melt and pour soap bases. Our white base is goat's milk soap, which is really great for your skin. Chop it up into 1-inch cubes and place them in a heat-safe bowl before popping it into the microwave. Melt it down using 30-second intervals, stirring in between to make sure it doesn't scorch. When your white base is fully liquefied, add in about 1/3 of the orange vanilla fragrance and stir until it's nice and mixed in. Go ahead and pour into your loaf mold, and be sure to spritz the top with isopropyl alcohol to get rid of any bubbles. When the white bottom layer of the soap has firmed up, pop the clear soap into the microwave, following the same steps as you did before. Remember, no one wants scorched soap, so keep an eye on it as it melts. Prep your orange colorant by combining a teaspoon of orange mica powder with a tablespoon of isopropyl alcohol. This will minimize the clumps in the soap. Once it's done, add in your prepped mica powder mixture and follow it up with the rest of the orange vanilla fragrance. Give it all a thorough stir. Spritz the white soap once more so the layers stick, and pour in the orange soap. Give it one final spray of the isopropyl alcohol to pop all the bubbles, and that's it! Now you just have to be patient and wait for it to solidify. With a loaf mold of this size, it can take up to 4 hours to cool, so give it plenty of time before unmolding. When the soap is firm, you can pop it out of the mold and slice it. This can be done using a knife or a soap cutter. And there you have it, some adorable summertime creamsicle bars. These make great gifts for all ages and can be easily customized with different fragrances and themes. Each bar is about 4 ounces and costs us about $1 to make, meaning they can be sold wholesale for $1 to $2 and retail for $4 to $6 depending on the fragrance and additives that you choose to use. If you want more fun and easy how-tos just like this, head on over to our channel. We have a playlist full of products for you to add to your line of fragrance goods. As always, I'm Maddie, and I'm so glad that you guys decided to join us today in AFI's How-Tos. And until next time,